Hello, my friends. Andre here once again. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. And this video will just be an update on my click engine results. And I think it's good for me to share that the click engine is one of the hottest programs out there that is gaining traction, and for those who want traffic to their websites, and also who want to earn affiliate commissions that are recurring. And I have a video on the review of the click engine um, in my channel, so you can just um, click on that video if you haven't already, so you get a clear picture of what the click engine is. So at this point I will just move on to my results that are shown in my email. When any sales come in, uh, Warrior Plus will send me emails that I've got a sale of the click engine. And as you can see, from February the 13th till today, which is February the 27th at the time of this recording, I have made 10 sales. So we start from the bottom. You can see that $2.31, $2.31, $7.14, $2.31, 7.14, 16.79. This is an upgrade that this person has purchased. And back again to $2.31, $2.31, and $2.31. Yeah, so already the cost of my purchase of the click engine is covered uh, with the commissions I've made. So now let me go on to my Warrior Plus dashboard, and here you can see that the sales do reflect on the Warrior Plus dashboard, where the click engine is listed down here. Yeah, so you can see that there are 10 sales and total earnings of $49.17. So this is all the tags that I've put uh, against each of the sales. So I will point out that most of them came from the LeadsLeap opt-in page that I created, and this is called LeadsLeap redirect opt-in. So this is when after they opt into my list, they will be redirected to the uh, page, the click engine page, which is the one I showed earlier, this one. And the opt-in page that I created in LeadsLeap itself, which is, let me get into my LeadsLeap, click engine. Let me see, this is the one that's active. Okay, let's go down to the launch, just launch the editor. Launch the editor, here it is. So yeah, this is the by far the highest converting landing page that I've created, and it's getting in a lot of opt-ins and I guess sales as well. Yeah, so that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. So I'll just get back to the screen again. Yeah, if you do have any questions regarding uh, LeadsLeap, regarding the landing page builder, and even how to get your sales going, do leave a comment below. Ask me questions, and I'm try my best to answer you as best I can. And before I sign off, do give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And yeah, so I think that's it for today on my click engine result update, and also the landing page that I've used to generate sales to the click engine. Thank you for watching and have a good day ahead.